AIDAdiva check-in. Welcome to the Triplers channel. Join us as we set off on a once-in-a-lifetime journey around the world. Over the next 133 days, we will visit 4 continents and make 55 stops across 27 countries. Our adventure begins here, in the European city of Hamburg. If you are traveling to Hamburg from a distant location, we recommend arriving the day before and booking an overnight stay. This will ensure that you are well rested for boarding day. Your boarding time is reserved within a specific time slot, which allows you to plan your meals, restroom breaks, and rest comfortably. How I imagined our luggage and how our packing actually turned out for nearly half a year. The overall procedure is similar to boarding a plane, but the excitement is definitely higher, and you may start feeling a bit tired as the process unfolds. After driving into the parking area, head directly to the queue for checking in your main luggage. Baggage trolleys are available, and the line moves fairly quickly. Your suitcases will be scanned and later delivered straight to your cabin. Next, proceed to the check-in area, where you will need your passports and AIDA documents for the United States visibly at hand. Your carry-on items will be scanned, and you will go through a security checkpoint. We recommend taking small, lightweight carry-on bags. If you need to bring something heavier, choose luggage with wheels. You will spend quite some time in line. During check-in, you receive your boarding cards. These will accompany you throughout your entire journey. They open your cabin door, confirm completion of the safety briefing, and serve as your onboard payment method. Once you enter your cabin, you must complete the mandatory safety training. The instructions are first shown on your in-room television. Afterwards, you put on the life jackets and proceed to the assembly point indicated on your boarding cards. Remember to bring your cards so they can be scanned at the lifeboats, and your safety training can be officially recorded. When we returned to our cabin, a pleasant surprise was waiting for us, a backpack that will accompany us throughout the trip. Checked luggage is usually delivered to your cabin by the evening. In the evening, we headed to the Almhütte restaurant for dinner. And later we made our way to the upper deck, where together with the other passengers we said goodbye to Hamburg as we sailed out to begin our journey. If you would like to travel with us, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. In the upcoming episodes, we will share more about the cabins, the ship's layout, and the onboard amenities. We will talk about what it is like to live as a family of 3 in just 17 square meters. And of course, you can expect trip reviews from the destinations we will be visiting along the way. See you soon.
Trippers, like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to support us and see more quick travel reviews.